Welcome to LFA's video on dicalcium phosphate. Dicalcium phosphate is a white granular powder that is used in the production of tablets and capsules and is classed as a flowing agent. It comes in a range of different mesh sizes, whilst coarser grades are made to flow well and have excellent compressibility. It's a commonly used filler within a tablet mix that increases the compressibility within your formulation. Dicalcium phosphate itself is directly compressible, meaning that it can be compressed into a tablet itself, making it easier to create new formulations. A huge benefit to dicalcium phosphate is its flowing properties, which allows your formulation to flow through your machinery smoothly. It has a pH level of 6.5 to 7, meaning it's highly soluble in citric acid and ammonium citrate. However, due to its alkalinity, it won't work with some acidic active ingredients. It's easy on the digestive system and will pass through easily, and is a dietary supplement on its own. Being both tasteless and odorless, it can often be included in breakfast cereals, flour, noodle products and animal feed, which contributes to the animal's metabolism and accelerates growth and development. Dicalcium phosphate is able to absorb a small amount of moisture, giving it anti-caking properties. An effective filler and flowing agent that will contribute to the nutrients in your formula, which can be added to both human and animal supplements, making it a great addition to many formulations. It should be mentioned that more granular excipients, such as dicalcium phosphate, do play a role in wearing your tooling out at a faster rate, as compared to, for example, microcrystalline cellulose. But there isn't many situations where dical isn't a great excipient in a formulation. Dicalcium phosphate is also certified as GRAS by the FDA, meaning it's generally recognized as safe. LFA does sell dicalcium phosphate, which is both vegan and halal certified, supplied in a selection of weights, including bulk quantities. Please see the link in the description below. For more information, products and guides, please visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.